I'm Kat Cavelli, I'm 29 and I grew up in Ireland. When I was really young, it was my dream to perform and sing. So when I was 18, I decided I wanted to move to London. So I just packed all my clothes in black bags and got on the bus. It was difficult. I was in a function band, but most of it wasn't even paid. So I had quite a few different jobs. I worked in the council, then I worked as a massage therapist, I worked as a shop girl. I think that was probably my worst job, because I'm bad at selling stuff. I was nervous, and now I'm ready to go. I had a baby in 2015. She's the most amazing thing that's ever happened to me. When my daughter was born, I just stopped doing any music thing and thought I need to concentrate completely on Ada. Now she's 4 and the dream's still there, yeah. I put my music and singing to the side for so long, and now I just feel go for it. Super nervous, shaking. I just want to show my daughter that you can be whoever you want to be and be a good role model for her. I won't let you down. I put a spell on you. Because you're mine. You better stop the things you do. Thanks, multiple people. I said, oh, watch out. I ain't lying. I ain't lying. I love you. Can't you see that? I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you anyhow. And I don't care if you don't want me to. I am yours right now, so I put a spell on you. Because you're mine. You know I can't stand it. You're running around, you know better, daddy. You know I can't stand it, yeah. Because you're putting me down, why? I put a spell on you. Because you're
What? Hello.
Hello.
What's your name? Where are you from?
Kat, and I'm from London.
Tell us a bit more about you.
I'm a full-time mum of a 4-year-old, and I haven't sang in a long time, so it's quite overwhelming, actually.
I was so certain in my mind that you were at least 2 women up there. So I was completely shocked when I turned around. Your range and singing in so many different voices, I thought it was so cool. I'm blown away that you're all alone up there. You're amazing.
Thank you.
You can do so much.
Well, let me tell you, that was an incredible performance.
Thank you so much.
The story of it, and of course I love the sexiness of it. I mean, we all love the sexiness. I mean, the couple of guys had glasses on, they're going... But it was just fantastic, and I loved when I turned around and got to see you perform. It's 2 different characters. You put a spell on me, so thank you.
I enjoyed it. It's a great song, and you did a great job, but I know it so well. I think that maybe put me off it, you know.
In Tom's defence, I did say it doesn't really matter if you press your button or
That's
not
right.
on this next one, because they're going to pick me, didn't I? I did actually say
You did
that.
say that.
The reason why I turned, I wanted to just irritate Olly. I could tell that he was mesmerized. So I was like, okay, this person is obviously, you know,
What everyone's trying to say, by the way, is you're absolutely gorgeous. Like,
Thank you so
stunning.
much.
That's what everyone's too afraid to say.
yeah, I was trying to be not so creepy.
Yeah, not so creepy. I can
Yeah.
say it.
You can say it.
You're a 10. 10 out of 10. You're gorgeous. You're stunning.
I just have to say that you performed really awesome, and I would like you to be on my team.
But she should pick me. Is that what you're saying?
It'd be really, really heartbreaking if you don't pick Olly. Really messed up, right?
It'd be hilarious, though.
That would not be hilarious. It's up to you. You can break my heart, which has happened many times, but I'll get back up. It's out of me and Will.
I'm gonna go with Olly.
You got me in! Amazing.
Thank you.
Well done, that was fantastic.
Thank you so much. Guess what? Mummy got through. Team Olly.
I've noticed in the crowd there's like a crazy amount of Olly fans. Like big Olly fans. What do you think? Should we force him to sing a song? Olly,
Okay,
would you do the honors?
okay.
Oh my God, it's happening!
Oh my God, I've got a mic as well.
Go on, Olly.
I want to sing a song about this girl. Yeah, she's called Sue.
Sue. Run her own Sue.
Sing, bud!
It's my story, it's sad but true. It's about a girl that I once knew. She took my love and ran around with every single guy in town. Need your help this one, you ready? Hey, hey, hands,